Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy XLM on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have your account set up, then just go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet application. You will be asked to log in either using your PIN or your biometrics. So just go ahead and log in and you will end up on the dashboard. Now from the dashboard you can simply tap on the buy button and you can search for your desired crypto. Now within the search box, just go ahead and type in XLM. You will then find the Stellar coin. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be taken to the buy screen. From here you can simply select your desired currency by tapping on the top right corner which says USD. You can then type in how much you want to spend and you will also be shown how much XLM you will receive. Now since the best exchange is already selected by default, you can go ahead and tap on the next button to proceed with buying your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy XLM on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.